Hello guys, this is Shubroto and today we are going to learn about SOLID principle. SOLID is basically an acronym of 5 design principles that we normally use in any case of software design. What are these? These are single responsibility principles. O stands for open closed principle, L stands for list of substitution principles, I stands for interface segregation, and D for dependency inversion principles. The purpose of this is basically to develop, when you're developing a software, we have to make it maintainable, we have to make it easily understandable, flexible, and it should be extensible. That is the purpose of using any design principles in software engineering. Now I'm giving you another slide. You're just going to start one by one. So first principle is like single responsibility principles. What it stands for, as the name suggests, the single responsibility means a class that we are going to develop should belongs to a particular responsibility. If it has more than one responsibility, then we have to break it in multiple classes, or we can break it in different the help of interfaces. We are achieving this single responsibility. Now I'm going to show you how to achieve this. Okay, so this is an example where you can see the class that is service station, which has three methods. One is for open gate, another is for close gate, and another is for do the service. Now if you are looking at these classes, that is service station, the main purpose is the service based on certain conditions, if it is open or close. Now this open and close is not basically directly related to the service, but it's a some different purpose we are using this. So it's actually violates the SRP principle, single responsibility. Here this is the main responsibility to the service, but open gate and close gate is some different operations. Now how to achieve this? Now here you can see, to achieve these single responsibility principles in this situation, we have to first of all create a interface for these two method. One is for open gate and another is for close gate. So I'm creating an interface here, which is like say I get utility. I stands for it's a way to start the interface. So I get utility, which contains these two methods. One is for open gate and close gate. This is the open gate method and this is the close gate method. Now once we create this is step one. Now after that we have to create another class which will implement that particular interface. Now I'm creating another class that is service station utility, which implement the interface I get utility, and as we are implementing this interface we have to write all the methods here. So there are two methods in the interface, that is open gate and close gate. So I have to write the body of these two methods in this service utility section station utility class. Once that part is done, now let's move on to the main class. So currently our class is service station. Now I have to utilize this interface in our service station and satisfy these SRP principles. Now look at this third steps. Here this is the class, same class, the service station. Here I'm creating an interface object. So I'm creating the interface that is I get utility. So I'm creating an object of interface that is get underscore get utility. Now in the constructor I am passing the I get utility class type of object and initialize this particular get utility variable with this get utility that I am passing in constructor. So it's a kind of example of constructor independency injections. Next, once that's done, then next I have to write the same methods like open gate to the service and close gate methods. And in open gate method, instead of writing logic, what I'll do, I have already written the logic of open gate and close gate inside the service station utility classes. So I'll use this method. I will call this method by using this interface object. So here I am using this interface object dot open gate as well as interface object dot close gate. So by using this interface, here I am achieving this single responsibility principles. And in the class service station, this is the main method. So currently service station is doing this operation. This is a single responsibility for running these particular services. The responsibility of open gate and close gate is not belongs to this, is totally responsible for by some other class, that is service station utility. So currently the service station belongs to single responsibility, which is do the service operation only, not open gate and close gate. These two are moved or shifted to other classes. Hope you understand. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.